We have this beautiful white S21. It's a 2025 from Nautique. Show you guys this boat. It's got Nautique surf system, NCRS, thruster, wake pipe. You can see it's got the 100-year badging for the 2025. I'll hop inside this boat and show you some of the other features. As we come on board this boat, you can see you've got a full walk-through here, traction mat. Have it on the edge of the boat too, so if you get climbing on and off in different places, you got good spots to stand. You walk right in this boat without ever stepping on a cushion. Really great feature there. Speakers, cup holders, link Panerai screen. It's more 100-year badging. Bow. JL audio head unit. Surf control there.